guys! For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to repair rust on your car. It's my first time guys, so let's see what will be the result. By the way, these are the things that I'm gonna need it for repairing. Alright? So, let's get started! Clean the area. The area must be exempt of any dirt, oil, grease, wax, or tar. Carefully sand the rusted area. I'm using sandpaper 40 grit. Next, I'm using 80 grit. Vacuum to sanction the rust bits. Spray Brake-Clean. It removes grease, oil, and it leaves no residue. Let it dry. This is Bondo Cream Hardener and Bondo Body Filler. Bondo Spreader. Use a clean and non-fibrous mixing bowl. Mix the necessary amount of Bondo Body Filler and Hardener. Apply evenly and sand it again. Then next, I'm using is the glazing. This comes straight to the spreader. Apply a thin coat. Sand it again. Cover other areas by using masking tape or scotch tape to protect surfaces nearby. Spray primer with a smooth sweeping motion. Then spray several coats of the paint to cover the area. Here's the final result. So, all things considered for a cheap home job.